today's example, we had a competition between a few employees and everybody reached a different score. Also, everybody works for a different department in the company and each department had a different score expectation during this competition. I don't want to use standard formulas to get the numbers because that's just waste of time. Let me show you a trick. First, let's understand what we got on our table. So I go to the table design tab, my first table named as scores. This table includes the results of the competition tied to each employee name. The second table is named as department. That includes the names with the department codes or department name. So the name is tied to the department name. The third table, which is called the score expectations, there the score expectation is tied to the department name. And as we all know, we need to have a key, a unique key in each table to link them together. In this case, the first key is going to be the name column, and in the second join, I'm going to use the department column. Let's start to build the relationship. I go to the data tab, and under the data tools tab, I choose relationships. On this window, I can build links, connections, relationships between tables. I hit new, select table, and select the table you want to join with the next one. I'm going to select the table called scores because that includes the value of the competition. In the second field, I'm going to select the key which can help the Excel to connect the different tables. And in this case, it's going to be the employee name. And the table I want to join is the department table. That includes the name of the departments per employee. The related column is also the name. I hit OK. And I add a new relationship because I have additional data on a third table. Now I'm going to connect my department table based on the department with the score expectation table based on the department name. I just simply hit OK. I can close the window, and going back to the data tab under the data tools, I open up the data modeling. As you see, all three tables have been added to the data model as well as the connection built. From here, I can easily just go to the Home tab, Pivot Table, select Pivot Table on a new worksheet, hit OK. And since all my tables are connected, I can start building my pivot table and aggregating the numbers. So let's say I want to see the scores by name. I want to see all the scores per department. But I also would like to see that what was the expectation for each employee. And then I can move the actual scores to the values. Then I go back to the design tab. I choose subtotals do not show, grand totals we do not need it, and the layout should be tabular. View tab, remove grid lines, and here we go. We were able to link three different tables including different parameters at the same time without using any manual Excel formula.